Hello students, once again I welcome you all in my channel Mathematics Made Easy. The topic before us is again on trigonometry. This is in continuation with our previous topic of the AB and CD formula. Let us go for pick up once again a very important topic, that is on multiple angles. On multiple angles. That is, you can say T ratio law. T ratios of multiple angles and submultiple angles. Submultiple angles. So, first of all, let us introduce the different formulas used here in this topic. The multiple angles go to like 2a, 3a, or some multiple angles like a by 2, etc. That is a in terms of a by 2, in terms of the submultiple angles. So first of all, note down the list of the results we use here. First, corresponding to 2a. Note down now very carefully sin 2a. This is in terms of this 2 sin a cos a. That is, we are to now express 2a in terms of a. And also sometimes it will be used in terms of tangents, 2 tangent a over 1 plus tangent square a. Now which formula where to apply, that depends upon the question and the practice only. The second one is for cos 2a. When you go for cos 2a, it is 1 is cos square a minus sin square a. Be careful, it is cos 2a, cos square a minus sin square a. This is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, and this is further we say equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. And say therefore, here cos 2a also can be written as 2 cos square a minus 1. So 2 cos square a is 1 plus cos 2a, or cos a is equal to under root of 1 plus cos 2a upon 2. That is in terms of this. Sometimes it is used like this. Also, we say that 2 cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos a. Very important in the form of a corollary, you can remember it. Similarly, we have cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, and therefore 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a, or this is again in the form of a corollary, you can remember, or you say that sin a is equal to under root of 1 minus cos 2a upon 2. That also sometimes we use in this very form. So this is a very important case, cos 2a, then it is 2 cos square a is equal to, or 2 sin square a is equal to. These are the results we shall use maximum when we study plus 2 integral and differential calculus. Also, we have cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tangent square a over 1 plus tan square a. That is cos in terms of tangents. But you must notice that when we apply cos 2a, the angle is half here. If it is 2a, it becomes a. It is cos 2a means a here. Sin 2a, angle is again half. 2 sin a cos a. Okay, now this is for cos 2a. Similarly, we have for tangent 2a. देखो For tangent to A, it is 2 tangent A over 1 minus tangent square A. 1 minus tangent square A. देखो, in sin 2A we have 2 tan A over 1 plus tan square A. But in case of tan 2A, it is 2 tan A over 1 minus tan square A. Now similarly we can say angle A in terms of A by 2. That is like some multiple we can call. Number 1, sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Again angle is half. It is equal to 2 tangent A by 2 over 1 plus tangent square A by 2. This is for sin A. Number 2, on the same pattern we have cos A is cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. Now this is equal to, as above, 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. And therefore, if I put up here cos square A by 2, it will be 1 plus cos A upon 2. Again we can call it as a corollary. See from here. Similarly, sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos A bata 2 by 2. It is a sin square A by 2. So many times you will have to apply this formula, like a cos square A by 2 is 1 plus cos A upon 2. And similarly sin square A by 2, 1 minus cos A by 2. And again here cos A in terms of tangents, 1 minus tangent square A by 2 over 1 plus tangent square A by 2. A by 2. Therefore, it is cos A is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 2 over 1 plus tan square A by 2. So it is now sin A, A in terms of A by 2, cos, there are 4 results, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in the same way you can go for tangent A. This is equal to 2 tangent A by 2 upon 1 minus tangent square of A by 2. Again that depends where to apply this formula. That is in the question itself. From there only you can think of that I want to apply this formula or this formula or this formula. That depends upon the question itself. Now I am not taking here 3A, but first of all let us put up a note here. See, you have suppose sin 4A. The above formula says if it is sin 4A, it will be equal to 2 sin 2A cos 2A. Angle will be halved once again. Similarly, if you have suppose cos 8A is equal to like 2 cos square 4A minus 1. That depends whether we want in terms of this angle 4A or further you can apply, this is 2 here, cos 4A the whole square minus 1. That is again you can think of, it becomes cos 4A. So here you can say 2 cos square 2A minus 1 the whole square minus 1, etc. That depends upon how to simplify the problem. Now just see once again, I can repeat. It is 2A, 3A, A by 2. First of all you take up 2A, A by 2. Sin 2A, there are 2 formulas, angle is halved. Cos 2A, there are 4 results, cos square minus sin square, 2 cos square minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square, or we have cos 2A, 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square. Here these are some of the corollaries before us. That is, from here cos 2A is See, cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. Therefore, cos 2a, in this case, 2 cos square a will be 1 plus cos a. Similarly, you have cos 2a 1 minus 2 sin square a. Again, we say it is written as 2 sin square a 1 minus cos 2a, like this. Now, with this idea in mind, let us take up a few variety of questions on these formulas. To start with, the very first, I come to the question number 1. He says, prove that sin 2 theta upon 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to cot theta. Very simple numerical I have taken. Dekho. Take up the solution from here. The question, very basic question, sin 2 theta over 1 minus cos 2 theta is cot theta. So what we do? We want the value in terms of theta. Take up the left hand side. It is sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta upon, देखो इधर, the formula is 1 minus cos 2a. It is 2 sin square a. So I apply here, this becomes 2 sin square theta. Because angle is half. 2 will go, sin will go, the value comes out to be equal to cot theta. This is the right hand side. The first very basic application of the portion of advanced angles. Now take up question number 2. I am taking first of all the very basic questions, direct application of the multiple angles. Prove that 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. This is equal to, he says, like, simplify in this case and see, यहाँ proof that की जगह पर लिखो simplify. This is simplify. 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. The procedure is that we say 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. This is equal to. Now see, we shall just group here 1 plus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta upon 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta. इसको ऐसे ग्रुप करो. The reason you know that we have 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta plus sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta upon, it is 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. देखो. Now this becomes, take up 2 cos theta as common from the numerator. It is cos theta plus sin theta over, in the denominator 2 sin theta is common. So it becomes sin theta plus cos theta. Now this will cancel out. The value is cot theta. Check out. So the above question can also be written as, this very question can be said, can be written like this. We can say like this, 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta is equal to cot theta. He can say like this, prove that. Firstly, I have written simplify. The another way is that which is the trend of this portion itself, 1 plus sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta is equal to this. Now take up the third case, question 3. He says prove that under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta, this is equal to 2 cos theta. देखो, a very good question. He says prove that under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta. So what we do? Take up the left hand side and take help of the multiple angles. See, it is 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 common 1 plus cos 8 theta. Write in this way. And this is equal to, because we want the answer in terms of theta only. So it is under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 into 1 plus cos 8 theta, that is 2 cos square 4 theta. Because we know that cos 8 theta is 2 cos square 4 theta minus 1. So it is 1 plus cos. This is equal to, I write here, under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus, देखो, it is 4 cos square 4 theta, that is under root of this, मतलब 2 cos 4 theta. Because it is 4 cos square 4 theta, square root of that, 2 cos 4 theta. So this will be equal to, further you proceed, it is under root of 2 plus under root of 2 into 1 plus cos 4 theta. Check up. And this is again you apply the formula. It is 2 plus under root of 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta. Because cos 4 theta is 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1. This is equal to under root of. It is 2 plus 4 cos square 2 theta, मतलब 2 cos 2 theta. And this is just equal to 2 is common, again apply 1 plus cos 2 theta. So again use the formula, the same repetition, 2 into 2 cos square theta. That becomes 4 cos square theta, under root of this is 2 cos theta. This is on the right hand side of the sheet. Check up please. This is again a very important case before us. Now take up one more. One question first of all on theta by 2 I share with you. This is third question number 4 before us. देखो अभी से. Question 4. He says prove that yes, cos theta upon 1 minus 1 plus sin theta is equal to tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2 upon 1 plus sin theta is tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2. So there are different methods for this. Let us say left hand side, it is cos theta, write it as sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, sin 90 minus theta over 1 plus sin theta cos 90 minus theta. Write it this way. And this becomes, apply here the sum multiple angle, sin theta 2 sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2 cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2, because sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This upon 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. It becomes here 2 cos square pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Again you apply the formula. I can write down here, एक साइड पे लिख लो, cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So it is 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. This 2 will go, also cos will go. You have simply tangent of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. That is on the right hand side of the sheet. Question number 5. Now this question number 5 again, maximum practice of some multiple angles. He says prove that secant 8 theta minus 1 over secant 4 theta minus 1 is equal to, this he says tangent of 8 theta upon tangent of 4 theta. This is a bit harder case now, not 4 theta but it is 2 theta. Please correct it here. Tangent 8 theta upon tangent 2 theta. Now see the left hand side. It is a bit harder case. Left hand side change into sine and cos. 1 upon cos 8 theta minus 1 over 1 upon cos 4 theta minus 1. Now this is equal to 1 minus cos 8 theta upon cos 8 theta into 1 minus cos 4 theta. Here this cos will be cos 4 theta here. Check out. Change into sine and cos. Now this is equal to, देखो, cos 4 theta you keep it as it is. 1 minus cos 8 theta is 2 sine square of 4 theta. 1 minus cos 8 theta, 2 sine square of 4 theta upon, it is cos 8 theta into 1 minus cos 4 theta, 2 sine square 2 theta. The same angle is halved. So it is equal to, this becomes here sine 4 theta, देखो, into 2 sine 4 theta, sine 4 theta, cos 4 theta. 2 इसको split करो sin square 4 theta को, sin 4 theta into sin 4 theta. 2 adjust here, it becomes like this. In the denominator, it is cos 8 theta here, it becomes 2 sine square of 2 theta. Check out. Now this sine 4 theta, it will be written as 2 sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta. Now it is 2 sine 4 theta cos 4 theta, right here as sine 8 theta, right here cos 8 theta. देखो, and it is in the denominator like 2 sine square of 2 theta. देखें, this 2 will go, sine will go, and you have just tangent of 8 theta into cotangent of 2 theta, which is nothing but equal to tangent of 8 theta over cot 2 theta, मतलब right here as tangent of 2 theta as required on the right hand side of the question. So we have secant of 8 theta minus 1 upon secant of 4 theta minus 1 is equal to this. I think it is clear. Yes. Take up question number 6. It is cos square A cos square a plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos square a minus 2 pi by 3. Come to the left hand side. This is a cos square a. Better is that you try here cos a plus 2 pi by 3 the whole square. You can apply even multiple, but I think in this way you will be more comfortable. 2 pi by 3 this whole square, the left hand side. And now apply this formula a plus b, cos square a plus cos a cos 2 pi by 3, cos a cos 2 pi by 3 minus sin a sin 2 pi by 3 the whole square plus cos a cos 2 pi by 3 plus sin a sin 2 pi by 3 the whole square. That is, you apply a plus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b. It is cos square a plus, see, cos 2 pi by 3 is 120. Cos 120 minus half, it is minus half cos a, sin 120 is under root of 3 by 2, minus under root of 3 by 2 sin a, the whole square, plus, it is minus half cos a plus under root of 3 by 2 sin a, the whole square. Check out. Now, this is when you open the squares. Cos square a plus, yes, 1 by 4 cos square a plus 3 by 4 sin square a plus 2 under root of 3 by 4 under root of 3 by 2 sin a cos a. Dekho, when you just open the square. Similarly, we have plus 1 by 4 cos square a plus 3 by 4 sin square a minus under root of 3 by 2 sin a cos a. Check out. And when you simplify, open the bracket here. In the next step, this will cancel out. You have cos square a plus, देखो, it is 1 by 4 cos square a, 1 by 4 cos square a, it is half cos square a, plus, it is 3 by 4 sin square a, 3 by 4 sin square a, 3 by 2 sin square a. So, this is equal to 3 by 2 common, it is sin square a plus cos square a, that is just equal to 3 by 2. That's. Now you see some more problems on this multiple angles, along with, now we say, the mixed problems of A, B, C, D, A plus B, C plus D, along with the multiple angles, typical cases. Now I shall be dealing in my coming lectures tomorrow onwards. Again, I say that if you feel any problem, you can put up your comments, you can put up your difficulties, your questions on the comment box. I shall solve there or immediately in my next lecture. Thank you.